I found this bright side channel have 44.5 million subscriber. This channel earned monthly $13.4 thousand to $213.9 thousand. And Dare to Do Motivation channel have 1.8 million subscriber. And this channel earned $639 to $10.2 thousand monthly. The common things in this channel was they all are faceless YouTube channel which was created by AI tools. I found another faceless YouTube channel which was unique and no competition. Philosophies for Life with 1.12 million subscriber. This channel also earned $583 to $9.3 thousand monthly. In today's video I am going to start YouTube channel only using AI, and I will only use free tools to help you guys. Now we need our channel name. For that we are going to ChatGPT, and right here give 50 YouTube channel name about philosophy. Choose the channel name which you like the most. I like this one, the philosophy guy. This is the channel. Now we have to give the YouTube channel name. Paste the name here which was created by ChatGPT. Now we need description for YouTube. Back to ChatGPT and write give the YouTube description about philosophy guy. Copy the whole text and paste in your description box. Now we need profile picture and banner image. For that we are going to Canva and search here YouTube profile picture and click here. Now we're going to use text to image feature in Canva, but you can also use Midjourney if you have money. Write a text here which type of image you want. Now wait and see what type of image come in Canva. I like this one, it was pretty cool. Did you like this image? Wow. Download this image and upload in your YouTube profile picture. Now we need banner image for YouTube. For that also we use Canva. Search here YouTube banner. Edit the image whatever you like. Once you've done your editing, simply download the image and head off to the YouTube and upload in banner image and click on publish. Our channel branding is done. It's look absolutely amazing. Now back to the ChatGPT and write 5 philosophy lesson and then who said them. And type here write a 350 word short story explain number 3 and make it simple and easy to understand. Copy the whole text and head off to the 11 labs. Here this AI tools translate our text into the voice. Choose the voice which you like the most and paste the text here and click the generate. Now our voice is ready. Click on the download. Now we need video templates and character for our video. For that we have to back to the Canva and search here video templates for YouTube. Edit the video here whatever you like. For example, I only add background. Now we need a character for our video. For that go to the ChatGPT and copy the name of philosopher. Now back to the Canva and go to the text to image and paste the name here and click on create. I like this one, but we need white background for the video. Now go to the upload and select the image and download it. We are going to Adobe Express. It was free tools who remove the background of the photo. Upload the image here. When image is ready, click on the download. Now back to the Canva and adjust the image here. We have to also add the name here and make it some highlight. Now it was ready. Download this image. Now we are gonna make this character talk. For that we are going to DID. When you come in this page, click on the create video and upload the photo here which was created by Canva. Upload the audio here which was created by 11 labs and click on the generate video. When video is ready, click on the download. Now we need subtitles for our video. For that we are going to use video editor which was Clipchamp. Upload the video here. Click here in captions and turn on the auto captions. Now our video was ready. Download this video in 1080p HD quality. But we also need titles and description for our video. For that, we have to back again to the ChatGPT. Now copy the whole story. Type here write a titles and description from following topics and paste the whole text here. No, we have to upload our video on YouTube. For that, click on upload video and choose the video. Now we need title and descriptions. For that, go to the ChatGPT and copy the text and paste here. Now we need also thumbnail for our video. For that we have go back to the Canva. We will choose the same image for also thumbnail. Write a philosopher name on thumbnail and also write the title of your video. Once you've done your editing, download the photo and back to the YouTube and upload a photo and choose here not made for kids. Check the all thing last and upload your video.
Once upon a time there was a little boy named Timmy. who loved to play with his friends. One day, Timmy heard his friend Sarah say something that confused him. "I don't believe in God," she said. Timmy had never heard anyone say this before, and he didn't know what it meant. That night, Timmy went home and asked his parents about God. They explained that some people believe in God, and some people don't, and that it was
I think there is some glitch on my video. I will suggest you not choose the same background of the photo color. If you paid little money, you can make awesome video. Remember that making money online requires time, effort, and dedication to see results. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.